Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, lived a clever fox named Felix. One day, Felix saw a weary, thirsty goat named Gary approaching the meadow. Being the clever fox he was, Felix decided to play a trick on Gary. He approached him with a mischievous grin. "Felix, hello, Gary. You look tired. How about we work together to get some water from the well?"